Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So as BARC exam is nearly coming, so we are conducting the most important question related to the BARC exam. So today we came up to a subnet supernet question in the computer network. So this is a question. The marks is being given 255.255.252.0. We have to can be probably used for class A, class B, and class C. So we have to find it out. For class A, we have to find subnet or supernet is used. For class B, subnet supernet is in class C similar way. So for that we have to note it down the default subnet mask from the each network. So default subnet marks or default marks, no doubtly default marks. So default marks for class A. So class A, we have to know that the for class A, network ID bit and host ID bit. So class A 8 bit is represent the network ID and 24 bit represent the host ID. So the default marks is 255.0.0.0. For class B, so we have to know that the network ID and host ID for the class B. So network ID is represent 16 bit and host ID represent the 16 bit. So the default marks is 255.255.0.0. And for class C, so for class C, we have to find network ID and host ID. So 24 bit is network ID and 8 bit is represent the host ID. So the default marks is 255.255.255.0. So we have to note it down this. So the given questions, the marks of this question is 255.255.252.0. So if we calculate this in in binary form, so we get the 255 means 8 consecutive one dot 255. 252 means we have to get 3 less than 253, so means last 2 bit is 0, so we get 6 consecutive 1 and last 2 bit is 0, and lastly 0 means all bit 8 bits are 0. So from here we get 22 bits 1, 22 bits ones, and remaining 10 bits represent the zeros. So if we apply class A for this network, so for class A we have to get the 8 bit represent the network ID part. So baki remaining 16 minus A, baki remaining 22 minus 8 means uh, 14 bit. So 14 bits used for subnetting part. For class B, which we have to use for class B 16 bit is in marks. For marks bit is 16 bit, so 22 minus 16, also 6 bits used for subnetting purpose. And class C, for the class C we have to default marks is 24 bit, but from here we use 22 bit. So for that we have masking, supernetting masking of 2 bit supernetting marks. So for this question we have to class A subnet, class B subnet, class C is supernet. So in the given option, as class A subnet, class B subnet, class C supernet. So correct answer of this question is option B. Thanks for watching. If you need this type of content, please like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thanks. Bye bye.